वठलुंदा इस्लामाबाद जिते वफाकी वजीर एहसन इकबाल इजलास में खिताब कर रहा है।
Advancement of our all-weather strategic cooperative partnership. Ladies and gentlemen, CPEC has emerged as a transformative force and as a flagship project of BRI in the region, particularly for Pakistan. Over the past decade, CPEC has experienced multiple ups and downs, proving to be a testament to our enduring partnership and its potential for transformative development. It has taught us the importance of flexibility and the ability to address concerns proactively. Through these experiences, we have gained valuable insights into the art of forging resilient partnerships that stand the test of time. Last year, Pakistan and China celebrated a decade of successful, high-quality development and ever closer collaboration under CPEC. During these celebrations, Vice Premier His Excellency Ha Lifeng, as representing President Xi Jinping, unveiled 5 new corridors: 1 growth corridor, 2 livelihood enhancing corridor, 3 innovation corridor, 4th green corridor, and 5th open and regional connectivity corridor. Pakistan side appreciates the vision of Chinese leadership to upgrade the second phase of CPEC with inclusion of these 5 corridors, which are aligned with Pakistan's 5Es development framework. We are ready to work with NDRC to finalize the scope and implementation plan on these corridors. Both sides are highly committed to this shared vision, and together China and Pakistan have embarked on a journey of shared dreams, working hand in hand to build high-quality development projects. It is heartening to note the steady progress CPEC has made since its inception in 2013. In the energy sector, we have successfully completed 16 projects with generation capacity of over 8,000 megawatts, along with 2 coal mines and a 660 kV high voltage direct current transmission line. The total investment in these projects is around $16 billion. Currently, 1 hydropower project of 884 megawatts, Suki Kenari, worth 1.7 billion, is under construction and expected to be commissioned later this year. 3 power projects, including 2 hydel, Azad Patan and Kohala, and 1 coal-based Gwadar power project with a generation capacity of 2,100 megawatts with a cost of over $4 billion, are in the advanced stage to achieve financial closure, and we urge and request Chinese side for its support in achieving groundbreaking of these projects during the current year. A major breakthrough in energy sector has been the consensus between Pakistan and China to further evaluate an in-depth study to shift up the power plants from imported coal to local coal. This strategic move will not only reduce Pakistan's import bill, but also facilitate payments to Chinese companies. I am pleased to share the development of coal mining in Thar, and this has enabled us to utilize this tremendous indigenous coal resource which had remained untapped for decades, significantly contributing to our energy security and economic growth. We look forward to transform this huge coal deposit into green energy through Gol gasification project. In the transport sector, 8 projects have been completed thus far at a cost of $6.7 billion, and several projects including roads, Gwadar Airport and digital media projects are well underway We hope to see Gwadar Airport in service this year. CPEC has contributed in construction of
नाज़रीन मां बुधायूं त इन वक्त पाक चीन इक़्तिसादी राहदारी कमेटी के इजलास में वफाकी वज़ीर एहसन इकबाल इजलास के खिताब करे रहियो आहे।